Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to download Adobe Creative Cloud for free on Windows and Mac. Alright, let's begin. First, open up your web browser and go to official website of Adobe. Here, you will see an option Start Free Trial, so click on Start Free Trial. You will get these options, Individual and Business. Now choose the individual plan for a single device, or you can choose the business plan for multiple devices. I'll choose the individual plan. Here you will get a 14-day free trial with all Adobe software, plus a 30-day free trial of Adobe stock. Select it and click Continue. Enter your email address and click Continue. Fill out the required information, including your credit or debit card details, but don't worry, Adobe won't charge you until the free trial ends. Now click on Agree and Subscribe. Then you'll see the screen. Make sure to create a password from here. Now open up New tab and search for Adobe Creative Cloud Download. Open the first link and download the Creative Cloud app from there. Install it and log in with the same email ID you used before. Then open it. And here you can see and download all Adobe apps. And that's it. So that's basically how you can download Adobe Creative Cloud for free on Windows and Mac. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.